Hello guys, ito naman yung isang room na gusto kong ayusin. Ito yung cabinet, pero hindi siya pang damitan guys, pang mga papers yan. Yung isang room, naayos ko na. Ito guys, kung alam nyo lang, nagmukhang garahe talaga yan. Maayos na yan ngayon, pero syempre kailangan pa natin ayusin. Hindi namin maitapon yung mga ibang gamit ni husband. So, yung mga yan, brinash ko yung mga takip, pinunasan ko para mailagay namin dito sa dresser. But I'm really hoping maayos ko to soon and it's going to be my office. Ayan guys, nilabas ko na siya dun sa box. At we will try to assemble. Ito ang kanyang itsura guys. So, hoping na magawa ko siya. 1 year na daw yan sa karton. And wala naman siyang time para i-assemble yan. So, let's try kung kakayanin natin. Ayan guys, sana mabuo natin.
Oh, okay. Let's do the bottom one first.
On the third. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yay! Yay! Is it good?
Just the wrong one.
What do you think? What do you mean wrong? Yan guys, nilagay ko muna siya dun sa dulo. Ayusin natin tong room na ito. Eto na guys. Big improvement. Dati 'di ba mukha siyang garahe? Yan. Inassemble ko rin yung lamp. May dumi pa yung kamay ko. Dito ko nilipat yung mga pictures niya kasi parang ang pangit naman kung nasa harap ng TV. Diba? Baby Michael. Ang niluto ko ay pininyang manok. Hello! I just messaged you.
Yeah. They had a safety meeting after work, so.
Oh yeah, I'm just done cleaning.
Traffic.
I cooked chicken and pineapple.
Chicken and pineapple.
It's a recipe from the Philippines.
Oh, I'll try it.
Okay. I wanna see your reaction.
Oh wow!
Come on, move there so I can record you.
You don't want to put the printer on top of the filing cabinet?
No, that's good.
I like the pictures.
Because it's not meant to be in the
In front of the TV.
front of TV, you know.
Looks nice in your office.
Yeah, my office.
What do you do with the... Oh, the boxes are in there? Okay.
Yay! I cleaned it!
Where'd you get the lamp from?
I assembled it.
Oh, is that what the lamp was?
Yeah. The one in the box.
Oh, okay. So it works with the switch?
I don't know. Oh,
Yeah.
it does? I didn't know that.
Because it's to the outlet.
Oh. I didn't know that.
It's
Yeah.
an older apartment. There's no light. That's why you need a lamp.
Okay. Turn it off.
Okay, cool.
Oh, looking good. I'm gonna feed my dear pininyahang manok or chicken with pineapple recipe from the Philippines. I honestly don't know if he's gonna like it. You could be honest. That's why I prepared the dumpling, guys, because if he doesn't like it, he can eat the dumplings.
It's good.
Really? Promise?
Yeah, I like pineapple.